Welcome back to New Look. Today's video is all about skin brightening treatment using basin powder. This is the only one miracle ingredient which can give instant whitening to your face. Now I'm going to show how to prepare this face pack using the basin powder. So let's get started. For this face pack at home, our main ingredient basin, some raw milk. By using this basin powder and raw milk, now I'm going to prepare a face pack which gives instant whitening to your face. Take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of basin powder, which is also known as gram flour powder, and add raw milk to get a paste. I have added the basin powder and raw milk. Now I am mixing these both. Make a smooth paste. This basin has many skin lightening benefits and properties. You can use it to make some effective face packs at home itself. This basin is very commonly found in most of our kitchens, and it is a truly magical ingredient when it comes to addressing skin concerns. No matter what your skin type, this basin will almost helps you to deal with any kind of problem whatever you have regarding your skin, like removing suntan, hyperpigmentation, or else to evening out your skin tone and giving you a gorgeous glow. Basin has all skin properties. Moreover, it helps to maintain the pH balance of your skin and helps to tackle skin woes such as excessive oiliness, acne, pimples, etc. It is most commonly used in face packs in conjunction with other ingredients to help to give even out the skin tone and get the skin to glow. After mixing it, take some quantity into your hands and just apply onto your skin. This is one of the most common ways of using basin on your skin. If you have any dry skin, you try using yogurt and basin combination, or else if you have any oily skin, you can mix this basin powder with lemon juice or tomato or egg white. This basin is great combination with anyone. Just massage gently onto your face with a little bit of pressure. And allow to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. It will get dry. After getting dry, just wash with water. While washing, just remove this pack by gently massaging. After washing this, just pat dry and apply some moisturizer. You will feel a smooth skin with just one application. For better results, use regularly, that means at least twice or thrice in a week. Within 2 months, you will get even skin tone naturally at home without using any beauty products. That's it for now. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel, New Look.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.